If a parent or student has been invited to create an account on Avalo, they would have received an email with a sign up link. Once they click on that button, they would be taken to this page. Here you can see that the first name and last name and the email ID of the student is already pre-filled, because when the admin was inviting this particular student to join the platform, they had entered these details. So the first name and last name can be changed, but the email ID would remain uneditable by the student. So now the student can enter a phone number, they can enter a referral code if they have any, and you can see that by default this radio button is already selected. Once they confirm the terms and conditions, they'll click on next. They would be asked to enter their parent details. If the parent details are entered here by the student and they check on continue, then this particular parent would be mapped to the student. So when the student accounts get created, they would already have a mapped parent to their account. So the student would enter the details. Once the parent details have been entered by the student, they click on submit. Once they're submitted, they would be taken to the page where they would need to set up a password for their account. Once they've entered a password, they'll click on continue. And now they would log in into the platform with the email ID and the password that they've created for their account. Once they've entered the credentials, they click on sign in and they've landed to the dashboard page. So now they can see the student can navigate to the other products that are available, calendar and Prepful, that they have access to. So this is the landing page of calendar. So this is how the student creates their account in Avalo after they have been invited by the admin.